preparation methods considered sacred or symbolic. Cuisine can also reflect the social and economic history of a community. For example, soul food, a cuisine developed by African Americans in the southern United States, reflects the history of slavery and oppression, with dishes such as fried chicken. And collard greens developed from the limited ingredients available to enslaved people. Conclusion. In conclusion, the differences in cuisine between different cultures reflect the unique histories, values, and traditions of each community. From the ingredients used to the cooking techniques and meal structures, each cuisine has its own distinct characteristics that reflect the cultural identity of the community. Understanding these differences can not only help us appreciate the diversity of the world's culinary traditions, but also promote cultural exchange and understanding. By exploring and embracing different cuisines, we can broaden our culinary horizons and deepen our appreciation for the rich and diverse cultures of the world. Cuisine varies widely between cultures due to differences in climate, geography, available ingredients, cooking methods, cultural customs, and beliefs. Some key differences that shape the distinctiveness of regional cuisines include: ingredients used. The types of plants, animals, and other ingredients available in a region determine the basis of that cuisine. For example, rice and noodles form the staple of Asian diets while wheat is more prominent in Europe. Meat features heavily in Western cuisine compared to vegetarian India. Certain ingredients like potatoes, tomatoes, and chilies were incorporated into European cooking after being imported from the Americas. Cooking methods. The prevalence of cooking techniques influences how cultures prepare and present food. Frying, roasting, and baking are common in the West, while steaming and stir-frying dominate Asian cuisine. Indians mastered the tandoor oven, while Mexican and Middle Eastern cuisines are known for grilling. Some cultures prefer dishes in sauces or soups, while others showcase contrasting textures in a single meal. Meal composition. Different cultures structure meals in distinct ways. The typical Western meal centers on a main protein dish accompanied by sides. Asian meals revolve around rice served with multiple accompaniments. Indian thalis feature numerous small sharing dishes. Middle Eastern meals emphasize meze and stews accompanied by flatbread. Japanese cuisine focuses on balance and presentation with small portion sizes. Restaurant culture. Sociocultural contexts shape how communities consume prepared food. Western-style restaurants serve standardized multi-course meals on demand. Japanese and Korean restaurants revolve around shared communal dining. Indian dining usually involves elaborate multi-course banquets. Fast food originating in the U.S. has now become global but retains cultural variations. Dietary customs. Religious and cultural beliefs shape which foods are considered acceptable or taboo within communities. India has a predominantly vegetarian population due to Hindu and Jain influences. Muslims and Jews avoid pork.